everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the mad scientist. Guys, today we're going to see if a shoelace can pick up a piece of ice. For this experiment, you're going to need a shoelace, some water, an ice cube, or a piece of ice, and some salt. What you want to do is soak your shoelace in the water like this. Then place it on your piece of ice or your ice cube, just like that. And sprinkle some salt onto it. Just like that. This is a really cool experiment, guys. And remember, fresh water has a freezing point of 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and salt water has a freezing point of 28.4 degrees. When I poured that salt on there, it melted the ice cube, then it will refreeze to the string. This takes about 15 to 30 seconds. Let's see if we can make a shoelace stick to a piece of ice. And it worked, guys. That's pretty cool. Now, is that magic or is it science? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.